Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share 5 hot dropshipping winning products for Halloween because it's that time of the year again when dresses and spooky things are widely popular and celebrated. Halloween is the best season to don scary costumes and to do pumpkin carving, but for many online stores it's more than just dressing up and trick to or treating the neighborhood. Halloween is also one of the most profitable holidays of the year for your dropshipping business. If you are looking for product ideas for Halloween, then you are in luck, and I have created a list of the most popular and trending Halloween products and lined up global Halloween suppliers to help you source these Halloween dropshipping items quickly. So this year we investigated the trends and highlights in several data and surveys to help online store owners build and continue on increasing shoppers' excitement and meeting customers' demands for everything from costumes to candy during Halloween. There are several products niche that dropshipping websites can take advantage of during the Halloween season. Here's a list of the most popular items during Halloween together with some trusted dropshipping suppliers to get them. Number one is Halloween costumes. Halloween costumes have always been a staple during Halloween. While they began as sincere tributes to saints, this tradition has already evolved over time. Now you can already dress up in scary looking grab to spook your unsuspecting neighbors or don your favorite superhero outfit. Halloween costumes can be anything from scary, spooky, funny up to creative and heartfelt all at the same time. While witches and creatures are always fashionable Halloween costumes, more and more consumers are also looking to dress up like their favorite celebrities, television characters, and other pop culture references. Number two, Halloween party mask. Aside from costumes, party masks are important to the Halloween tradition. Sometimes masks are part of the whole Halloween costumes package, or for those who don't want to don a dress with, just wear a mask for them not to feel left out. A quick search on Google Trends will reveal that interest for Halloween masks will peak at 100% popularity at the period of October 2022 to 2028. Moreover, it's already beginning to gain more traction as early as the last week of September. The most popular for kids are PJ Masks, Rabbit, Spider-Man, and Dinosaur. Number 3, Halloween decoration products. The true spirit of Halloween won't come alive without decorations. From houses, offices, establishments to parties, you will see the staple pumpkins, candles, spiders, bats, and spider webs all around. So Halloween decoration wholesale and dropshipping suppliers are Alibaba Halloween Decoration Dropship, Wholesale Central Halloween Wholesale, and Burton Halloween Decoration. And the last one is Halloween cosmetic products. For some people, they don't want to settle on just wearing a scary looking costume. Some indulge themselves in the full package of the Halloween celebration. They wake makeup, some paint effects, and other Halloween cosmetics to everything up. So, Halloween is spooky, scary, festive, creative, and funny all at the same time. This makes it one of the most exciting holidays to celebrate every year, with billions of dollars being spent by shoppers for these single occasions alone.